So Rob, first of all, it's such a huge occasion here. I think if you would have asked anybody in the area a couple of years ago whether they could imagine this, no one would believe that all these people would be gathering here today for this occasion.
Well, these women have earned it. They played their hearts out. I mean, on both sides of the pitch. They're a really great club. They do nothing but win, and as you can see, the people of the town, people of the area really show up for them, and people are really excited.
I was down at Rhos Aylward earlier on in the season, and the dream then was to get to the racecourse and play a game here, but I don't think anyone imagined this today, and a trophy lift as well. It's fantastic. It's
a really special day. Most importantly, it's a special day for these women, and like I said, they've earned it, and the fact that they get to celebrate in front of 10,000 of their fellow townspeople is pretty special.
Well, 10,000 today, 10,000 yesterday. You've had an awesome weekend of football as well, haven't you?
Yeah, not too bad, not too bad. And, we're just getting started.
Absolutely, and obviously for the men, promotion is in sight now, touching distance.
Yes, the phrase that I've heard that's my favorite British phrase that I've learned over the last few years is squeaky bum time. I've never heard of that before. That is a great way to describe exactly what it feels like. We're coming down to the wire. We all feel very, very confident, but you never know. Football is a crazy sport.
There's a chance you're going to need a bigger trophy cabinet, Rob.
I hope so.
Really appreciate you coming over to speak to us. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Thank you. Diolch. Diolch yn fawr.